And thank you for joining to this video, which I'm going to show you how to customize your result page and make it as accurate as possible. So first of all, you need to go on your editor to the result page, and here you can decide also the design of your products. For example, you can make add to cart, you can change the color text, and you can change the text fonts. Also, you have here more features, like you can show product variant. If you are using any reviews app, you can enable them from here. If you want to hide the price, you can do it. If you want to hide the description, you can do it. So this is the first stuff that you need to do. Second stuff, you need to say what is the maximum product that you want to recommend. So in that case, I make 3 products per row, which means the maximum product I'm going to recommend is 3. If you want to not limit it, just put here 9 or something, and it will show in that case 27 products on the result page. You need to do the same stuff on mobile. So on mobile, you have different settings. So just you can say how much maximum product you want to recommend on desktop and what is the maximum product which you want to recommend on mobile. Once you finish with this part, you need to go to the product match section. So on the product match, you have here all your questions. This is all the options of the questions. This is the option of question number 2, for example. And here is all the products that match to these options. So for example, if someone click on dryness and freeze, we will recommend these 3 products. They will get priority over other products. You not have to match product. You can also match collection, tag, or vendors. This product not have variants, but if you have variants, you can recommend variants. So that's also possible. I mean, if you have it, you will just have here variants, and you will be able to match variants as well. Make sure when you do it to consider using one question as master question. Master question is good for questions like gender or allergy, which you want to eliminate product that not fit the answer. To do it, you back to the design, go to the question you want to set as a master question, and just enable this checkbox and save. In that case, we will never recommend, let's say if the user click on wavy, we will never recommend product that not fit this option. That's help you to eliminate product on the result and make the product recommendation more accurate. Hope it makes sense, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact with our support or jump to a chat with our live chat over here. Thank you so much and have a good day.